The proper parts arrive. With them I can bring the roof deck down by that much and it won't be higher than the van.
And our solar partner said everything was sent.
Yeah?
Yes.
Nice. Because we have another partnership! Yeah! We got a third solar panel onto Goldie. That's the plan. But today it's the roof deck. Completion of the roof deck. So first step, take it down again. Let's get back up there and take this whole thing down again. Welcome to our roof. First step, probably the easiest step. Now, since I have the plan to put a third solar panel there, it's gonna get way more trickier. Let me tell you why. Those struts here, they are mounted against those back plates. And the only way to get the back plates into the rail is from behind. I need to basically deassemble the whole thing. Yay, that's a lot of fun, but I guess I have to do it, right? It's gonna be a big deassembling. Let's go. Alright, so what I'm doing now is basically changing the order of those, the long ones, and those, the short ones. Laying them where they belong and working my way up until that one. And while doing this, also deassembling the roof rails or the mounting points from the solar panels, at least the middle ones. Those. Two middle ones, so we can take them for the new solar panel, which was provided to us, thankfully, by Solar Kontor or Wattstunde, yeah, a German website. You can get really awesome solar stuff there. It's really, really nice. All of our electrical solar, the items that we bought in the past, they are from them. Really nice quality. We have the solar panels now for over 2 years and they are really perfect. No issues whatsoever. So, total recommendation. If you want to get some from their web shop, please use our code. It's in the description below to get 5% off of your entire purchase. So, do that and be happy with your solar equipment on top of your van. So, let's continue. So, on the left side of the van, we are done. When it comes to reordering, what I did, I took two of those and move them here, because this whole system is designed, I would say, in not a perfect way. I had to take out everything, but that's okay, I guess. Now onto the right side. Okay, so last screw for the reordering project here. Last one. Ta-da! Alright, now I can reassemble the rear part, which is down there. This one, the curvy one. And then I will probably do the deck and then the solar panels. Let's get the parts up here. Okay, now let's mount the roof deck back together and hope I don't have to cut something off. Let's see. So it felt like it took forever to do it, but now everything's mounted. Of course, you know it, there's always one who's a fighter. So I'm gonna try to get it in now. Probably not the German way how to do it. But finally, after an eternity, we got it. Okay, let's take a look at it. Well, I don't know about you, but I think this looks pretty rad. Yeah. Take a look here. Nicely rounded. Now it's time to eat. Maddy made some really nice dinner. Let's go. Hello. Look at this beautiful food. Let's dig in. Good morning from our little camp spot here. Yesterday in the mail we received the package. This one. And this is our third solar panel. And to get it on top, at first I need to unscrew the old ones and get rid of the supporting struts of 2 of them, of the middle ones, so I can use them for this panel. Let's see. Alright, while Maddy's taking a shower in the van, yes, that's possible. We're gonna give you the full tour later. I'm gonna unbox this beauty. Let's go. There we go. And the panel itself. 110 watts. The thing is, when they're not attached, you shouldn't put them in the sun, so I'm gonna leave it like this and mount it. Then I'm gonna put some cardboard on top of this and the other ones as well, because otherwise, I don't know, they burst in flames. It's a precautionary measurement, so yeah, we're gonna stick to that and yeah, let's go. Maddy's doing the rest. How are you feeling? Strong?
Yo.
I'm gonna bring the camera up first and then us potato heads. Very nice, huh? It's coming together piece by piece.
German engineers in action.
Well, the camera battery died. We finished the solar panels on top. Maddy's still there, she's enjoying the sun. Okay, those are the panels. Nice and smooth. Now we have to change the solar converter. Let's go. And this is the new baby here for 350 watts. Very nice. Excuse our mess, but on a construction site there's always something going on. So this magic box down here has all of the electronics for solar and so on. There you go. Ta-da! There's the old one. Kill it right now. Pull the fuse. So all of the wiring down here we need to change and put on the new solar computer. This one is for the solar computer up there, which shows you the current wattage. Those are, I think, the solar panels. Yeah, they are the solar panels. This one is the battery, the negative one. This one is the positive one. Then we have this, which goes to the starter battery. Special operation here. I would say we change it one by one. Here you have a setting for the type of the battery that you have, and I just put it on the lithium iron that we have. Solar panel plus attached. Solar panel minus. We got some juice. It says low battery.
As long as there's no energy going where it shouldn't go.
At least not a lot, because the majority of the solar panels are covered. Alright, looking good. Now the battery minus, then plus, and then the other ones.
Okay.
And the battery plus. And now let's see if the whole thing lights up in flames. Okay. The pull test, all of the wires. Yeah, I'm satisfied. Okay.
You and your surgery gloves.
Okay, so I'm gonna screw it back onto here, on this aluminum plate that we did in the first place. And in case you're wondering, those are fuses. They are for the power inverter that we have. So we have 230 volts in the car as well, not only
With
12.
a bit over-designed thick cables.
Yes.
We figured we take the thicker ones for safety.
The thickest. Only professionals here. Professionals at work. Now let's get all this wiring back under the seat and mount this one. The maximum PowerPoint technology Votronic solar regulator MPP 350 duo digital from Solar Contour / Wattstunde. Thank you again for providing us the materials. Thank you again for giving us a nice discount on those products. We are very satisfied with them. I hope it's as reliable as the old one, which really did an awesome job. Those are special screws for metal. They can actually, yeah.
Self-cutting screws.
Thank you very much. Alrighty, y'all. I think we're done. Now, just put the fuse back in, 30 amp, and then this lamp should... Bam. I hope it didn't die. Well,
It's
looking
blinking.
good. I mean, I was afraid for a short moment because I heard an electric spark, and that's not always good.
No, that's
Yeah.
never really good.
That's never really good, especially with those fuses. They tend to break. But I think it's good, right?
At least something's blinking.
Okay.
But
Now
it's-
we have 0 watt.
That's how it should be, because we covered the solar plates.
Right. Follow me, camera girl. How do you like my rubber glove?
Very professional. Look a bit like you're afraid of like germs.
Okay, so now they're covered. Now we're gonna take the cardboard off. Do you think we did everything right? Okay.
If you're watching this, don't do this at home.
Only under professional supervision. Certified German engineers. We can do anything.
Für den deutschen Ingenieur ist nichts zu schwören.
Exactly. Looking good?
Looking great.
What's your expectation? 3 solar panels on top, overcast weather, how many watts?
Amazing watts.
Amazing watts. Did Maddy check the solar computer yet? She wants to leave the surprise for me. This looks good. And 80 watts with overcast. Let's wait for the real sunshine. Should be there soon. Still around 70 something. Success! Woohoo! So our maximum wattage is 330. Now we got 290, which is pretty good. So it might maybe a little bit of cleaning of the solar panels. But now we're packed, man. We're super packed. Look at it. Everything works. Woo!